how to get out of a DUI first offense. Now, here are 3 things that you need to know about getting out of a DUI on a first offense. First, can you get a DUI charge withdrawn on first offense? And it's possible. A Crown lawyer that's representing the court is only permitted to proceed with the DUI charges against you if it passes these 2 tests. Test number 1, is it in the public interest to pursue the DUI charges against you? Now, the Crown acts on guidelines from the Attorney General of Canada, and from a public policy perspective, the Crown's obliged to prosecute DUI cases. This really sends a message to the public that driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs will not be tolerated. Then we hit test number 2, which is there a reasonable prospect of a conviction? The Crown can only pursue the charges against you if there's a reasonable prospect of conviction. Now, it's your lawyer's job or your job to raise doubt in the case against you, and if those doubts rise to the level that there would be no reasonable prospect of a conviction, then the DUI charges against you would get withdrawn. 2, if you have a clean criminal record, will your first DUI charge be withdrawn? No. The fact that you've never been convicted of a crime before does not matter. The fact that you are an outstanding citizen does not matter. The only way DUI charges against you will be withdrawn is in the event there are significant problems with the Crown's case. And these significant problems are just so severe that there's no reasonable prospect of a conviction. Only then will the DUI charges against you get withdrawn. And third, if the charges are not withdrawn, can you avoid a criminal record on a first DUI charge? And the answer is maybe. Really depends upon the facts of your case. Now, the Crown will decide on the way they want to pursue your DUI charge. Now, while the Crown will not want to withdraw your case, they may decide to pursue your case in a non-criminal manner, which means you would avoid a criminal record, which is really important. This decision really depends upon the facts of your case. The more problematic your case, such as if there was an accident occurred or the breathalyzer reading was really high, the less likely you are to avoid a criminal charge. Now, let me end by stressing the importance of taking your time when deciding on how to proceed with your case. Make sure you understand everything that's going on with your case so you can make the best decision for your future. Now, as a next step, we have a really great video you should watch. It's called I Got a DUI Now What? You can find the video on the top left of your screen. Highly recommend you watch it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.